Hello and welcome back to Nisha's art tutorial, and today I am doing a tutorial on DLR railways, which are very local to London, and DLR stands for Dockland Light Railways. I hope I'm right. And the train, why I'm doing this tutorial, because there is a small boy from UK who requested me to do an art tutorial for him, and I really appreciate his request, and I did some studying, some groundwork on it, and now I'm gonna do a nice simple tutorial for him. As he's a very small boy, I will be considering the fact that how much he can do on his own, so that's why not very tough but a doable art for young kids. So here we go. So the first step is I am sharing again the supplies I will be needing. It's a pencil, regular pencil, a ruler, a eraser, and an A4 sheet. Cut it into 1/4 of the size. Now first thing is I'm using a ruler to draw the tracks. So these are my tracks here. So I am going to make it a bit of background along with the train tracks and train over it. So how I'm gonna work on it, so now I'm gonna just take the margins here. So you see I am just defining with this line the gap for the tires. I think that's too big, so I'm gonna go more smaller, because that's how it should be. And now I'm gonna show the different compartments here in continuity. Okay, so I'm gonna just erase whatever is extra and do it accordingly. So now let's do this. So now from here the face of the train will look like this. So unlike our Indian trains, these trains are different in terms of look and feel, so we're gonna consider that factor and work accordingly. So that's the first compartment here, which is the so here I'm not using any scale, because I think it's very much doable with the hands directly, freehand. Now I'm gonna just define the, so this gap is too much here, so I'm gonna just increase this part here, extend this line here and just join it like this. And again I'm gonna just measure this area, this plus this much, so this plus this much. So that's my next bogie, and or you can say the compartment. And again I'm gonna work a little bit here on this side, maintaining the same gap, and join this line here. And this continuity goes on. So the upper thing gonna be same, there's no higher and lower thing, so this has to be matched. So just erase the extra lines wherever you see, and that's how it looks. So I'm gonna do a little more. This gap is bigger, and in fact this gap is also bigger, so I'm gonna just redo it. So now the gaps are matching. Now we're gonna just join this part with the, there's always a link between the two compartments, so we're gonna join this with double lines. So one here and one just ending of the bottom line like this. Nice and easy. I hope it's nice and easy for you all. So now I'm gonna show the minute detailing here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show the doors here in the compartment. Okay, and now we're gonna just close it like a box, and in inside again I'm gonna just show the partitioning here, right? And now I'm gonna show the minor correction. I'll just so this part will look like this, okay? And what I did as a correction is this door, I made the door height smaller, so I just extended this height a little bit. Now I'm gonna just add the windows here. You can use a scale to do this. So these are the local transport available for people who live in UK. So yeah. So this looks easy and doable. Now I'm gonna work on the 1, 2, 3, 4 on each one, okay? The front one is like this, second one is like this, the minor gap, okay, like this, 1, 2, 2. So again here I'm just showing last one, and now a little smaller semicircle inside, nice and beautiful. So the train is done here. The train is lovely and beautiful, done. Now I'm gonna show the tracks which will be visible from any far. So I'm just dividing the tracks like this. Now okay, so this part, when I show windows, I just show this. So when you're coloring, you will color it as like whatever background you see here, or you want to show some sky blue color here, up to you. What imagination runs in your head, that's completely on you. Now I'm gonna just add one more effect to this. So I'm gonna just divide this line here. That's the color of this train, which is very clearly visible from far. So that's the train with the tracks. Now I'm gonna just work on the background here. So I just feel that there's a lot of scenic in everything, and when train passes through it, it looks more beautiful, and so that's how. So I'm gonna just show some clouds here and some here also. So that's my way. So I'll just guide you guys how you gonna do the coloring. So this is my sky part, this is my greenery. So these are not exactly the mountains, these are the hills. So the green hills here, this entire patch and this entire patch, I see it as green. Then train, pick any color. For me, I mean, red and black is one option, then another option is white and red. So pick your choice of colors and do it, and come back to me and show it to me. I'll be very happy to see it. I hope I satisfied that young kids interest. Do you think I should do the outlining for this? Shall I? If the drawing is not too visible, let me just do it. So here is the fine finished version of a DLR train. I hope you guys like it. Give me a big thumbs up if you do. Do the coloring, send the pictures. I would be very happy to see it. If you want me to do the coloring, let me know. I will do the next tutorial on coloring this. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Till we meet the next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.